Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you the cheapest camera which I bought recently from the Amazon Great Indian Festival sale. And if you are looking for a budget friendly camera under 2000 rupees, this is the camera for you. The brand is IMOU and the model is Ranger 2. It is a 4 megapixel camera. It got some features like smart tracking, motion detection, noise detection. Also you can pan and tilt this camera up to 360-degree. So in this video I will show you the unboxing, what do you get inside the box, and later on I will show you the configuration, how you can configure it. Also this camera support Wi-Fi configuration, Ethernet, as well as it support on-wave. Let's get started. So this is the box of the camera IMOU Ranger 2 SD card. So what I'll do, I will power this IMOU 360 camera and then I will show you the configuration of it. So this is the camera as I have unboxed. You have seen that, so I've powered with that cable, as you can see here the back, and here on the front you will see the light green is blinking. So now what I can do, I can just open up the app, IMOU app. You can download on the Google Play stores or the Apple app stores. You will get the IMOU app. There you have to scan it. So I will show you the process, how you can get this IMOU camera on that app. So make sure you are on 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi only on that SSID. So once you will scan this, it will join the Wi-Fi and then it will connect to the. So let me show you the IMOU app where I have added this IMOU 360-degree camera. So I can show you the interface of the camera and the app, what features you can, how you can disable the notification detection and everything. So when you click on the home page, you will see your camera. Once you click on the camera, from here you can see the PTZ button, so you can control the camera movements. Like you can if you toggle it on the left, the camera will toggle on the left. If you move right, it will do that. And if you check the features here, you can set the privacy mode. If you want to open this, if you want to turn on the siren, it will give you a siren sound. And you can check the PIP mode. These features it has. When you click here, it will show you the detection, like whenever camera human detected, it will show you all those. And from here you can check the date of the detection, like if you want to check for tomorrow, yesterday. It can give you the retentions depending on your storage. And from here you can see the cloud storage as well as the SD card storage. Right now I've entered the SD card here, so you will see the recordings and download. You can download the recordings from here, and you can view the recordings like this list view. So yeah, this is how you can download the recordings. And at the top you will see this is the audio button and this is the recording. So when you click on this recording, the camera will start recording. So this is how you can record. And this is the microphone button. You will hear the camera microphone. And this is the photo snapshot. You can create a snapshot of this camera. Okay, it will save in your phone album. And this is the resolution video. Right now it's set to 4 megapixel, but you can set either to 1080p or 480p. And at the top right you will see the camera features, like you can set the device preview, how your camera screen looking at the moment. And you can set the notification. You can either turn off the notification or turn on the notification. It will give you the push notification whenever there is a human detected. So there are some detection types. You can schedule the detection from here. This is the motion, human, as well as a smart tracking. It will track the moving object and start to record when it's detected. Also motion detection automatically record events while motion is detected. And human detection record videos and only send notification when a person is detected. And here is the detection on. You can schedule for the detection here. And this is the motion sensitivity. You can set. Right now it's set to default, so but you want to set the motion sensitivity to the minimum or the max, you can set according to that. And this is a general activity zone, so you can check the activity zone. From here you can erase what is a non-motion zone. You can just move that zone from here. So this is how detection, and this is the alert tone you can set for the devices, and you can set for the audio detection. As I said, it also has an audio detection, so it will notify that the sound need attention are detected. And here you can check your SD card local storage. Here right now I've entered the 64 GB card, so you can see the storage depending on that. And right now the share device is empty, but you can share up to, in the free plan you can share up to like 5 users. And here you can set the HDR mode, optimize image quality, you can add smart scenes here. Right now you can see you can change your network config also. Right now it's connected to one of my Unify Wi-Fi 2.4, but you can connect to any other network. And when you click on more, you can set the infrared LED, set to auto, device beep, watermark logo. If you don't want watermark logo on that, you can just disable that. And image rotation, you can rotate the camera feed by 180 degree. Recommended is camera is installed upside down. You can restart your device here. This is the time zone, and this is the TLS encryption. So this camera has got all the features which you need, and that's how you will see those features. So as you can see here, it is tracking my movement. When I move left, right, it track according to that. And when you click on this icon, it will show you the IMOU Protect plan. You can check the device health guard, like when your device was offline, it will show you the device went offline, and you can check why it went offline. And here is the security report. You can check for the daily alerts. 29% detected. Right now it's on door, but you can say put it outside and check the vehicle, package, motion, everything. So this is a graph for that. So you can check for other date also. There's 7 event detected, like a 7% detected. So this is the report. You can get those report, security report on this camera. And you can download the SD card recording from here. Just you have to click on this, and it will download the recordings from here, whatever recordings you want to download. So this was the interface of the IMOU camera app. And so this is pretty good camera. Depending on the price point, you can put it on your offices and on your home, like front door, depending on your needs. So this was my short review of this IMOU 360 degree camera. As I've shown you the features of this camera, the interface of the IMOU app, what features you can get from this camera, like the PTZ features, smart tracking, motion detection, noise detection, and all those features you will get under 2000 rupees. I hope you will like this video. I think that's it for the today's video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.